Hello children. Last topic that we had studied was creation of tables in HTML. Now in this video we'll just see 2-3 examples how to create tables using row span and col span. Just a quick revision of the tags that we require for tables. Table tag, the attributes of table tag, wherein one attribute, that is border, is the most important, which will give you the grid lines. Rest of the attribute as per the requirement. Then you start with the row. Under the row you write down the TD tag, which depicts the number of columns. So the number of TDs means the number of columns. The next row, before that you have to end the previous row, then you start with the next row, end the row, start with the next row, and so on. So the number of rows that we have, we'll be having number of TRs, and we close the table. Now this is the question that we are doing, we'll be solving here. If you see here, this first cell, this cell is an empty cell, and this cell has been created with the help of not a single row and a column. It has been created with the help of two rows. If you see, this is the first row and this is the second row. So this cell is created with the help of merging of two rows in one column. All right. So for that purpose, my first TR has the first TD as row span is equal to 2, because two rows are being merged. Okay, before that children, we start with table. Border is equal to 1. Caption. Caption is this that we have written, which is the heading of the table. Table 1, a more complex table. So the table 1, a more complex table, this is the caption that we have written. Then we start with the first row. So our first row consists of, this is the first cell, which has a row span is equal to 2. And I explained it to you why. The first row actually consists of these. This is my first row. This is my first row, which has this cell, which has this cell, which is written average, where it is written average, and this has this, again this cell where it's written other category. So now let us see how have we created our first row. Look at the notepad now. TD row span is equal to 2. We are talking about this row, this cell. Two rows have been merged. All right, it's empty, so I have written nothing. Then we come to the next TD here. This is the next TD where we have this red color marked. Now here children, the columns have been merged. If you see, my columns have been merged. This average is written in two columns, height and weight, actually the divided columns, or दोनों columns को merge करके I have written one column as average. So here on the notepad I have given the second TD as TD col span is equal to 2, and because it is written in the center of the cell, so I have written align is equal to center, and the content of the cell, that is average. ठीक है, ये मेरा second TD हो गया. Come and see the third TD. Third TD says row span is equal to 2, again because two rows have been, ये दो rows में merge हुआ है. ठीक है, this is what I told you in the first cell also. So this has been written in two cells, two rows actually. So that is why row span is equal to 2, align is equal to center, because other and category have been written in two different lines. So that is why I have written other BR category. So other के बाद BR होगा, line break, and then it will be the category. This is the first row, and I have closed my TR. Clear? Now I start with the second TR. Second TR, children. Second TR, what does it consist of? It consists of only these two, height and weight. So because इधर से ये merge हो गया है, second row वाला, this is also done. Here also it has been merged, this is also done. So my second row is left only with height and weight. So look at the notepad, TR, TD height, TD weight. Okay, I've closed the TR, and the next is a simple TR with 4 columns. TD males, height 0.33, YYY. Next is females 1.9, that I've not added here. We can add the, after this TR, I can add a new TR, and I can write down the next TD as females, next TD as 1.9, next TD as, sorry, इसको इधर ही लिख दिया, TD and then 1.9, and next TD as 0.002, and the last TD as XXX. I save the table and we refresh the table here. See, this is the output of the table that I have got here. Now the output of the table, children, is what we see as is required. Now you would ask about the grid lines. This is the difference of the browser. In some browser, this is the type of the grid lines that it will take. By default, cell spacing bhi leta hai wo, by default. Okay, but you will get full marks for writing down this type of coding for this question. Clear hua, children? Now these are the types of questions that you are going to get. We'll see another question, children. See, I've written here the questions. This first question we have done. This is my second question. So let us take the second question. I snipped the second question so that I can, इसको भी minimize करते हैं, इसको भी minimize करते हैं. Okay. Now the second question. Second question, can you see, children? This is the timetable that we have written. Okay. Just question को read करो थोड़ा. Question को read करो and you will see that here what all is required. This is the coding for the second question. Now in my first row, what is my first row consisting of? There is no caption here, so I have not written any caption. Table border is equal to 1 और straight away TR start हो रहा है हमारा. हमारी first row में एक ही, this is the only TD that my first row has. This is my first row, isn't it? And how many columns have been merged to create that row? This is the first column. This one is the first column, second column, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So I have merged 6 columns to create one cell. Hence here, look at the notepad, children. TR, TH, call span is equal to 6, align is equal to center, timetable. So only this TR contains only one TD or TH. TH stands for the table head. We've done this in the previous video. So this TH call span is equal to 6 because my 6 columns are spanned or merged to create the cell. Okay, so this is my first row. उसके बाद second row में क्या है? Just let me clear this. Okay, the second row now consists of what? The second row consists of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So look at the notepad, children. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday तो दिख गया आपको. But can you see this cell also? ये वाला cell, this one, where it's written hours. This is also the cell which is actually the second row. This is my second row. My second row is this. So how do I create my hours? Hours के लिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 6 rows have been merged to create the cell hours. So look at the notepad. TD row span is equal to 6 and मैंने लिखा है hours. बाकी सब TDs simple है. TD Monday, TD Tuesday, TD Wednesday, TD Thursday, TD Friday and close the TR. And then next TR में what is the next row? The next row is this science, maths, arts. तो ये next row है. ठीक है, तो हमारा next TR में science, maths वो चल रहा है. उसके बाद next TR क्या है? social, history, English, social and sports. तो third TR में ये है. तो third TR में इतना लिखा हुआ है. Fourth TR, children, has again only one TD and that is lunch. This is the only TD that my fourth TR has. तो again कितने columns spanned हैं इसमें? 1 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday वाला column span करके हमने lunch लिखा है. So look at the notepad. This is what we have written here. TH call span is equal to 5, align is equal to center and lunch. ठीक है? So hence my lunch will come in the spanned columns or the merged columns. Now the next TR consists of, what does my next TR consist of? Science, maths, ये तो simple हो गया. उसके बाद project, this is my next row. तो ये जो project है, this is not written in one simple cell. It is written in 2 merged rows and one cell has been created. Hence, look at the notepad. TD row span is equal to 2 project. Clear? And the last row consists of what is written? Social, history, English and social. Because ये project वाला area merge हो गया है, तो यहाँ पे हमारे सिर्फ 4 TDs रह जाते हैं instead of 5 TDs. Is this clear? Now let us execute this question. इस question को execute करके देखते हैं. This is example 2. So example 2 says this and this is my question. ये देखो. ठीक है, तो spanning मेरी correct होनी चाहिए. So here spanning has been done correctly. TH timetable लिखा हुआ है spanned. Hours मेरे spanned हैं जैसे चाहिए थे. ठीक है, then hours को हम TD की जगह पे अगर TH लिख देंगे तो that will also come in bold. लिखना है, सेव करना है एंड रिफ्रेश करना है, तो hours भी बोल्ड में आ गए हैं. ठीक है, and lunch has been spanned. Project has been spanned. So according to my question, the same output I am getting here. So my question is correct. So row span and call span. Clear what, children? One more question I'll show you, and the rest of the questions you will do as your assignment. So in this Word document, I have given certain questions. So 5 questions दिए हुए. Let us do this last question. ठीक है, इस last question को करते हैं. Okay, let me open the file for this question now. The codes are, children, already written just to save the time, and I'm explaining you the written codes. अभी ये देखो, ठीक है. तो हमारा यहाँ पे टेबल बॉर्डर So let us see this question now. In this question, table border is equal to 3. A little higher number I have taken, no problem. थोड़ा thick रखने के लिए उसको, you can change it to 1 or 2. Border color is equal to black I have taken to give a black thickness to the border color, to the border. ठीक है? Okay. Now here what we have to read, children, here is where all do we require the row span, where do we require the call span. ये read करना है आपने question का output देखकर. Next rest you can write down the question very very easily. अगर आपको ये समझ में आ जाए कि where do we have to use the row span and where do we have to use the call span. If you see the first row is simple 4 TDs के साथ simple first row है हमारी. ID, name, subject and marks. Only the difference is वो underlined है. तो ID, name, subject और marks के साथ I have underlined them. TD लिखा है और U tag लिया है to underline it. TR close. I start with my second row. Now my second row consists of, what does this consist of, children? Think. Second row में क्या दिख रहा है हमें? Number 1 दिख रहा है, David दिख रहा है, Maths second row में है और 80 second row में है. So this is my second row. ये मेरा second row है. ठीक है? So for my second TR, look at the notepad. Number 1 normal cell में तो नहीं लिखा हुआ दिख रहा है हमें. It has been written on the merged rows cells. कितने सारे rows merge हुए हैं? 3 rows have been merged. So here what have I written? TD row span is equal to 3 और content क्या है cell का? 1. Similarly, TD row span is equal to 3 and David has been written because David भी एक simple उसमें नहीं लिखा हुआ है. Then maths एक cell है without any spanning, without any merging. 80 एक cell है without any spanning, without any merging. Clear? Row close. Next row हमारी किन 2 TD रह गए सिर्फ next row में, physics and 90, because ये दोनों TD तो उसने ले लिए. ठीक है? तो हमारा next row is only physics and 90 and next row is only computers and 70 और ये हमारा रो खत्म. 4 rows हमारे हो गए. Now when I start with the next TR, children, next TR में फिर जो 2 लिखा हुआ है, that is again merged or written on 3 rows. So my next TR is number 2. Sorry, Alex भी आएगा बीच में. ठीक है ना? तो number 2 है, Alex है, maths है और 80 है. ये 4 TDs बनेंगे हमारे next row के लिए. Isn't it? So look at here, TD row span is equal to 3 और content क्या है? 2. Next TD row span is equal to 3, Alex. then simple maths and 80 TR close. Next TR में again only physics and 70 has been written. सिर्फ physics और 70 है. Next TR में सिर्फ computers और 90 है. So physics and 70, computers and 90. These are the types of questions you'll be getting, children. Save करते हैं. Let us go to the browser and check our coding. इसकी कोड का आउटपुट क्या आया है वो चेक कर लेते हैं. इस कोड का आउटपुट है ऐसा. चिल्ड्रन द ग्रिड लाइंस, ये जो ब्लैक आपको दिख रहा है, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द चेंज ऑफ द ब्राउजर. इवन देयर आर सम ब्राउजर्स में इतना भी डिफरेंस आ जाता है कि कलर डिफरेंस भी आ जाता है. ऐसे रेड इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर पे वो रेड का कोई और कलर दिखाएगा और नेटस्केप पे डिफरेंट कलर विल बी देयर. ठीक है, तो वो उसकी चिंता आप मत करो. योर कोडिंग शुड बी एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट फॉर दी रो स्पैन एंड दी कॉल स्पैन. तो हमारा क्वेश्चन जो था, लुक एट द क्वेश्चन एंड लुक एट द आउटपुट दैट वी हैव गॉट. हमारे क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंगली हमारा आउटपुट है. जो स्पैनिंग हुई है, जो स्पैनिंग है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हमारा क्वेश्चन है. आईडी, नेम, सब्जेक्ट एंड मार्क्स. इफ यू वांट you can make them as instead of TD, इसको हम TH बना देते हैं and we see the difference, then they'll become the headers. Changes, if any changes are done, save it, refresh it. Name, ID, subject and marks. Clear हुआ children? So I have shown, I have done 3 codings with you. I am giving here the questions in the Word document. These questions will be uploaded and you will have to solve these questions. Okay, thank you children.